Hi everyone, today I will tell you how to make the Rubik Cube first layer in correct position in easy method. Okay, now let's start. So first of all, you can make the white side is bottom and yellow is upside. Okay, now you can make a white plus in the yellow side. Okay, what you can do now, you can make a first white. I can make in correct position. Now I can find the second one. Now second white R is on the correct position, and here is the third O white. So how I can make it in the this position? First I will move like this and then again move like that. So now you can see that the three edges are completed, one is the remaining. Okay, so how I can make this one also? So here is the one piece, so I can move like that and do this. Now you can see that the plus is completed, but its center piece is yellow, so I need a white plus. So what I can do now, I can make in this direction. So first of all, I check the white edges with the its own centerpiece, so that is correct position. Now I can move it on two times. Okay, that's done. Now I can find the second one, so I can move it two time also. So that's done. Now there is a third piece, but it's not along with the center piece. So what I can do, I can move it to another direction. Now it's have its own center piece, so I can move two times this also. And now this is last piece, so I can find it's a center piece with along with center piece. So now it's along with its own center piece, so I can move two times this also. Now you can see that plus is completed with the long side pieces also. Now I need four corner pieces, which are completing our first layer of Rubik cube. So how I can do that? First of all, we can make we can take a Rubik cube like in this direction, so any direction, but the white is on the bottom, you know that. So what I can do now, I need a white piece. So here is white piece now, but it's not set on direction. So what I can do now, I can make a move like this and again move like that, and now we can go back. Okay, you can see that these two whites are on top right now. So what I can do now, I can find the yellow in this side and the blue is towards my face. What I can do now here, so that is the correct position of this piece. Here is the pink and here is a blue. So what I can do now, I can displace this piece and going up and relocate this piece and going down. Now you can see that it's on its positions. So now we can do same process with this piece also. What I can do now, I can move it like this, so that is original position, because here is a green one and that's come to the here. So now the orange is also its own position, but first we can dislocate this piece and move upside, and now look its own location, move down. So you can see that this is also its own position. Now we can make another one, so that is. So how can do that? So that is its own position, because here is the orange one, so here is blue one. So first we can dislocate this piece and going up and relocate and going down. Now you can see that the whites also complete with the first layer, but one piece is remaining which is incomplete. So how we can complete this piece? So here is the white which I need to place in this direction. What I can do now, I can move it like that and move one time, then I can move it in another direction. I can go back to my own place. Now it's okay. So what I can do now, I can find this piece. Now it's on location. Here is a pink color and here is a green. So first I will do dislocate this piece, and now going up and relocate this piece going down. Now you can see that whites along with the its own sides are completed. So here is the process which you can make a Rubik cube first from first line.